before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure -0.56. Contrast -8. Highlights -88. Shadows +72. Whites -37. Blacks +26. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to color mix. And done. Go to color. Temp +10. Tint -11. Vibrance +100. Saturation -29. Go to Grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 356. Saturation 6. Blending 100. Slide up, go to Next Grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 56. Saturation 13. Slide up. And done. Go to Effects. Clarity +13. Slide down. Grain 3. Slide down. Go to Detail. Sharpening 24. Radius 2.1. Detail 82. Masking 6. Slide down. Color Noise Reduction 18. Go to Profiles. Select Artistic 3. Artistic 3 by 115. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.